That's 1 minute story. Here we go. Once upon a time, there lived a strong elephant in the forest. Every day he would walk with big footsteps, stamping the anthill. The ants decided to teach elephant a lesson. One day, when the elephant was eating banana leaves, a few ants started beating him. Elephant was unable to bear the pain and began to trumpet loudly. The ants felt sorry for the elephant. "We are sorry, we wanted to teach you a lesson." The elephant realized his mistake. He understood that all living beings feel the pain. From that day onwards, the elephant did not trouble others. Moral of the story: